Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Ash Takeoff and I'm ready for a hairdo, y'all. I've been wearing this ponytail for a while, so BGM hair, y'all came just in time. This is the packaging for this hair. I'm very excited because this is their M-cap construction of their Kinky straight wig, meaning it's designed to be able to fit more comfortable around the ears, so I really do like the construction. This is what came inside of the packaging. We have some lashes, we have an edges brush, some melt band, and some wig caps. So shout out to them because they did provide 2 different color wig caps, and I ended up using the darker tone one because it fit perfectly to my shade. Here's a quick look at the wig straight out of the packaging. It is a 22-inch Kinky Straight M-Cap wear and go wig from BGM Hair, y'all. All the information will be down below, so please feel free to check it out, y'all. This was such an easy install. Y'all see it came pre-plugged. All I did was add my foundation shade, slap her on my head, and she's good to go. If you want to wear it straight out of the packaging, that Kinky Straight texture is very beautiful, but I wanted to see if she straightened, and she definitely did that. So please keep watching if you're interested to see how beautiful this hair straightens. Like in the intro clips, all I did was hot comb the top and straighten her. I wanted to see how this wig would melt without being glued down, so I am going in with my Even Wonder lace spray right on that hairline. That is it. Once I did that, I am going to be applying the melt band and letting that melt on down while I style this hair. So that's pretty much it for the actual install part. You guys saw it took literally maybe a minute or two to install. This is just me styling it, so I'm gonna leave you guys to it. Don't forget, all the information on this hair is down below. Shout out to BGM Hair, y'all. This is a very realistic finish. My flat iron isn't even that great, and this hair flat iron so beautifully. It feels like butter. It feels like my silk press, and I love that for me. And it came pre-plugged. I didn't have to do nothing but slap it on my head. Who's trying to customize their wigs? If you can and you do, shout out to you. But for me, this is quick and simple, and I love having to do less, just being honest. If you're new here and would like to see more relatable content like this, please feel free to subscribe to my channel to come take off with me. I would love for you to join the fam and come along with me on this journey as we do this together, all right? So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.